Imagine a cuisine that breaks from the norm, a cuisine that invites you to eat with your hands, a cuisine that serves on a pancake. Welcome to the fascinating world of Ethiopian food. It's not just a meal, it's a sensory experience that engages sight, smell, and taste in a unique blend of flavors and textures. Ethiopian meals are often communal, with diners gathering around a shared signifying unity and friendship. Ethiopian cuisine, much like the country's culture, is rich, diverse, and full of character. At the heart of this cuisine are several key ingredients that define its identity. Injera, a sourdough-risen flatbread, is a staple in Ethiopian homes. Made from a grain called teff, injera is not only a food item but also an eating utensil. It's used to scoop up mouthfuls of delicious stews and dishes, replacing the need for forks and spoons. Talking about stews, doro wat, a spicy chicken stew, sits on the throne of Ethiopian cuisine. It's a dish that demands time and patience, simmered in a mixture of berbere spice, a blend of chili peppers, garlic, ginger, and various other spices, and niter kibbeh, a spiced clarified butter that adds a distinct depth to the dishes. Vegetarians worry not. Ethiopia offers an array of vegetarian and vegan dishes. Misir wat, a spicy red lentil stew, and gomen, a dish made from collard greens, are just a few examples of the plant-based goodness that this cuisine has to offer. Ethiopian food also employs a variety of spices. From the fiery berbere to the aromatic mekalisha, a spice blend used as a finishing touch to stews, these spices breathe life into the dishes, making them vibrant and flavorful. To round off the meal, Ethiopians savor their coffee. Coffee is not just a beverage in Ethiopia, it's a ceremony, a tradition, and an integral part of their cultural identity. In the past few minutes, the journey through Ethiopian cuisine has unveiled the uniqueness of this culinary tradition. From the staple injera, the spicy doro wat, the vegan-friendly misir wat and gomen, to the aromatic spices and the revered coffee. Each element tells a story of a cuisine that's rooted in tradition, yet open to evolution. This exploration of Ethiopian food showcases a cuisine that is as diverse as it is flavorful, offering a range of dishes to cater to every palate. It's a cuisine that invites you to dive in, to explore, to taste, and to savor. It's a cuisine that challenges the norms and offers a dining experience that's unique, rich, and truly Ethiopian. So the next time you're looking for a culinary adventure, remember Ethiopia. Its food will not just satiate your hunger, but also offer a feast for your senses. And of course, no meal is complete without dessert. In Ethiopian cuisine, desserts may not be as diverse or famous as the main dishes, but they are simple, satisfying, and offer a sweet end to a hearty meal. One such dessert is dabo kolo, small, sweet, baked bread bites that are the perfect end to a feast. But if you're looking for something different, there's tej, a honey wine that not only complements the spicy dishes but also serves as a delightful dessert drink. Whether you prefer something sweet like dabo kolo or a dessert drink like tej, Ethiopian cuisine has got you covered. So when you embark on this culinary journey, don't forget to save some room for dessert. To book all your travel, please click the link to my website located in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing food adventures. Thanks for watching.